Receive tayo ng parcel. Ayan.
Mas madali lang yung may pasal sa panty.
Ayan. So, this is positive wrench. And the one you're holding is, that's the adapter. And now it's time to take. So, this is for tire jack. So, if you have this kind of jack, and then you can buy this wrench, and then you can sit easily by this way. And this is so easy. Yeah. So that's amazing. And now it's slowly going up, so you don't need the Allen wrench. So this one is good, the positive. So that's all, guys. There's a lock also. So as you can see, there's a button here to lock and unlock. So because the circle positive sign is moving, so when you lock it, and it's not going to move. So this is simple how is it. Thank you. So we're gonna try the adapter. No, the position is not like that. This one. This way, yeah. So is it na? Oh, see, that's a very good one. At least the adapter and the wrench. So this is very good, guys.